Greetings and salutations, my fasting friends. It's time to take a dive into the wonderful world of intermittent fasting. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your fasting journey, we've got the goods on how to lose weight and feel like $1,000,000. So grab a glass of H2O and settle in, because we're about to dive deep. This is Intermittent Fasting for Beginners, a step-by-step guide to losing weight and feeling great. Let's start with, what is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is like playing a game of fast and feast. Instead of chowing down all day every day, you take a break from eating and then chow down for a set amount of time. The most popular method is the 16/8, where you fast for 16 hours and then feast for 8 hours. That's where the term breakfast comes from. Did you catch that? How does it work? Let's dive into the science behind intermittent fasting. When you're fasting, your body decides to switch gears and start using stored fat as fuel instead of sugar or glucose. This process is called ketosis, and it's the key to the weight loss and health benefits you'll experience with intermittent fasting. Not only will you be burning fat, but you'll also be reducing inflammation in your body, making your insulin sensitivity better, and giving your brain a little boost. It's like hitting multiple birds with one stone just by changing when you eat. So, what are the benefits? Well, I'm glad you asked. There's a bunch of benefits, but let's highlight the top 5. 1. Weight loss. Intermittent fasting allows your body to burn through stored fat, leading to weight loss. By reducing insulin levels, it makes it easier for your body to access stored fat for energy. Plus, the calorie deficit created by fasting can also contribute to weight loss.
A review article that was conducted in 2020 looked at 27 trials. They found that fasting resulted in weight loss between 0.8 to 13% from baseline body weight, and waist circumference also decreased.
2. Improved insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels in the body. By reducing insulin levels through fasting, your body becomes more sensitive to insulin and can regulate blood sugar levels more effectively. This can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes and other related health issues. 3. Boosted metabolism. Fasting has been shown to have a positive effect on metabolism. By improving cellular repair processes and boosting metabolism, your body is better equipped to maintain overall health and wellness. 4. Increased energy levels. When your body switches to using stored fat for energy, you'll feel more awake and alert. This is because stored fat releases more energy over a longer period of time, compared to the quick burst of energy from sugar.
Now, when you fast, the insulin levels fall. This signals the body to start burning stored energy, and one of these stored energy sources is glycogen in the liver, and the body will use that first. After the glycogen's been used up, the body will start to break down fat to get the energy that it needs.
5. Reduced inflammation. Intermittent fasting has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, which can help reduce the risk of chronic disease and improve overall health. Inflammation is linked to a range of health issues, including heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. So reducing it through intermittent fasting can have a big impact on your overall well-being. How to get started? Getting started with intermittent fasting is easy peasy. Just follow these steps. 1. Choose your fasting schedule. Pick the 16/8 method or find one that works for you. Some other popular ones are 5-2 diet. This type of fasting involves eating normally for 5 days a week and limiting caloric intake to 500 to 600 calories for the remaining 2 days. Alternate day fasting. As the name suggests, this involves fasting every other day. On fasting days, you eat very little or nothing at all, while on non-fasting days, you eat normally. The warrior diet. This type of fasting involves eating one large meal in the evening and only consuming light snacks or small amounts of food during the day. This type of fasting is based on the idea that our ancestors evolved to hunt and gather during the day and feast at night.
If you absolutely must snack, raw nuts, cashews, walnuts, things like that, things that don't have carbohydrates in them.
2. Create your eating window. Eat healthy, whole foods during your eating window. 3. Start slowly. Gradually work your way up to your fasting schedule. Don't jump in head first. Starting with the 16/8 fasting will be best for beginners. 4. Drink lots of water and electrolytes. Stay hydrated by drinking water all day, especially during your fasting period. 5. Be consistent. Stick to your fasting schedule and eating window as much as you can and be patient. Results take time, but they'll come. To start out, try doing it every other day until your body gets used to fasting.
The type of fasting that you use and how well it syncs to your circadian rhythm may contribute towards your success.
How to exercise while fasting. Exercising while fasting can be a bit of a challenge, but it's doable and it would definitely help increase your weight loss. If that's your goal, here are some tips. 1. Warm up. Start with light cardio or stretching to get your body ready. 2. Try high-intensity exercises. HIIT or weightlifting are great options while fasting because they help you burn more fat and increase energy levels. 3. Listen to your body. If you're feeling low on energy, slow down and adjust your workout. Exercising and fasting can work together to help you reach your weight loss goals. Just listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. Intermittent fasting is a great way to lose weight and feel amazing. With all the health benefits, it's no wonder why more and more people are hopping on this bandwagon. Remember, intermittent fasting is not a diet. It's more of a way of eating. There's actually no limit to what you can eat during your fast. However, if your goal is weight loss, of course, you want to stick to more healthy options. Start slow, drink water, and be consistent with your fasting. The results will come. Make sure to consult with your primary care provider before making any changes to your diet. This is especially important for breastfeeding mothers, diabetics, and children. Thanks for tuning in. Drop a comment down below if this was helpful, and we'll see you on the next video. See ya, folks!